Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Connecting with Numbers. This is a one-stop channel for all your mathematical queries. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Our today's topic which we have chosen will basically clear all your doubts for sums which carry brackets as well as for sums which carry multiple operations at the same time. Yes, it is the BODMAS rule. So, BODMAS is a simple rule we apply to solve sums, but how to solve them in a stepwise manner matters the most. One more thing, BODMAS rule is introduced to children from standard 5th, so it is very important to understand it at the base level since it will be carried forward in higher standards as well. So, coming back to BODMAS, let us see the brackets first. Here we have three brackets, the round bracket, the curly bracket and the square brackets. We are going to solve the sums and the brackets in this order itself. Now let us see the full form of BODMAS. So BODMAS is basically the brackets, order or power of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So as the full form suggests, expressions with brackets need to be solved first. But how to go about it? For that, let us consider an example to illustrate the use of brackets. In this sum, there are no brackets. So as per the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the division first, followed by the addition. Just remember that rule. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So keeping that in mind, we will be dividing 10 by 5. So the answer would be 2, followed by addition with 5. So the result is 7. Okay. Now let us see another example. In this example, we have a bracket. We have a round bracket basically. So we are going to solve the round bracket first, followed by the division. So 5 plus 5 will give you 10. Again 10 divided by 10 will be 1. Now the confusion which might arise here is that both the sums contain the same numbers, but there is a bracket here and there is no bracket here. So the answer would also be different because when we apply a bracket, the pattern of solving the sum totally changes as compared to a sum where there are no bracket. Okay, so hope this basic concept is clear to you all. Now we will move ahead to sums which will give you a clear application of this rule. Over here, we will solve the expressions within the brackets first. Means we will solve the round brackets first, followed by the curly brackets and at the end the square brackets. So let us solve this. Over here, we are going to solve only the round brackets first. 5 plus 5 will give you 10 multiplied by, now 4 multiplied by 8, 2 will give you 8. 5 minus 2 will give you 3. Now after we are done with the round brackets, we are going to solve the curly brackets. 8 minus 3 will give you 5. So here again we are done with the curly brackets. Now we are going to solve the square brackets. So 50 divided by 50 will give you 1. Now let us consider one more example. In this example, we are going to apply the same concept as we applied in the previous example. But the one mistake which kids tend to make here is that they are going to subtract 4 from 15 and solve the sum stepwise as if they have done it correct. But no, we need to follow the BODMAS rule here. We need to divide 4 by 2. So, when we divide 4 by 2, we get the answer 2. Now we are going to multiply 2 by 2. So the answer is 4. Now first we are going to remove the round brackets. So the answer we get here is 11. Now the next step is to remove the curly brackets. 14 minus 11 will give you 3. The next step is to remove the square brackets. So answer which we get here is 21. So I hope this section was clear to you all for BODMAS rule. How did you like it? Do let us know in the comment section, and do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Connecting with Numbers. And yes, which topic do you want us to take up next? Do let us know in the comment section. One more thing, the videos which we are uploading are all kept simple, just to make sure that you have that classroom wali feeling at home, the way you connect with your teachers in your classroom, because maths is all about connecting numbers. Till that time, bye bye, take care. We will be back with our another video soon.